Alright, welcome back everybody to the Enebo Racing channel. Today we got another fun video here. We're going to be testing out my boost controller. So we're out here Portland International Raceway. We got some beaches, 8th mile competition, drag racing going on. Get through tech, and then yeah, we'll be on our way to making some first rips. Got the new boost controller hooked up. We're gonna just be testing it. I gotta see what duty cycle is gonna give me what boost, or even if it works in general. So come along for the ride, and I'm sure there'll be some live action for you. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this switched over. All right, guys, we're all teched in. Should be good to go. Gonna make our first rip on the gate, or on the boost controller. So I have it set up for 30% duty cycle, and we're gonna just take a log and see where that's gonna put us. So we'll let you know after the first pass here. It's been crazy. I've freaking rushed to get here, and we made it. So let's make a rip, guys. All right, boys and girls. Some power all over the place. Got some data though. Got some data. It's hot. But yeah, 10 pounds. I saw 10 pounds, boys. That's gonna work. I'm gonna actually dial it down from there, since I know that 30% duty cycle will make about 10 pounds. I gotta make sure the tune's good. I looked down and I saw that it was right around 11.3, 11.4 AFR, so I know it was nice and rich, so that's good. I didn't really see how much I was having to compensate, but we're gonna find out. Oh, we got it. We are not in a bad spot here. All right, let me go over this real quick. We went red on the tree by 0.1, so super red, super antsy. Doesn't matter. We ran a 187 to the 60, and then an 805 at 90 mile an hour. So one of the faster mile an hours. I was all over the place. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the best I can here, but we definitely hit 10 pounds. So our injector duty cycle got up to about 85%, which honestly is kind of the limit I'm wanting to go. Fuel pressure was starting to kind of drop a little bit, so that's not good. It likes that it makes 10 pounds and then just kind of starts to taper off, but it stays rich. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit, make sure I don't do anything too crazy, but I'm gonna try and get these numbers a little more evened out. But yeah, I'm gonna back off the duty cycle a little bit and see what happens. All right, guys, we got the duty cycle turned down from 30% down to 20%. We're gonna see how that acts. I did take a little bit of fuel, or more or less I changed my target AFR to 11.6 throughout that power band. Hopefully that'll give me some injector back, but nonetheless, I think 11.6 should be pretty safe. Timing is way down, so I might even try and bump that up, but really trying to just focus on driving today. You know, messing with the tune is just so crazy and stressful. I forget to kind of sit down and focus on my driving. So this pass, I'm just gonna try and make a good A to B lick, not worry about the numbers so much, just because I know that it shouldn't make 10.5 pounds. So I'll watch it, I'll make sure it's not going lean, and I'll stay in it. So we'll see what goes on, and we'll catch you up at the line. All right, guys. Give this another shot here. Let's go, guys. shabby. Kind of spun off the launch, and I will say my burnout was kind of weak, so not surprising. However, it ripped and I beat the guy next to me. I caught him, so that was good. But yeah, we're gonna need to see what those numbers are. I didn't even see the boost. I was really just focusing on shifting. So about to get my slip here. Let's see how we did. Dang, guys. Same kind of time off the launch. So that's where I'm slacking. That's where my 7 is. I just ran back-to-back 8.0s. I'm gonna need to dial in and get this handle. Just to recap here, did pretty good. So 0.04 on the tree. We ran a 187 to the 60, ran an 808 at 90 mile an hour. So whatever it was good. I'm gonna check over the data log and see how much boost we made, but otherwise we're getting pretty dialed in here. So let's check over this stuff, get prepped for the next round, baby. All right, so this is my setup. Pretty much just toss the Milwaukee fan on the turbo. It's not real hot to melt the fan here, so I just kind of rest that. Actually, it's not even touching, so we're good there. Kind of cools off the intercooler pipe too. Got that intake temp light, boy. All right, so I'm kind of seeing this stuff for the first time too, guys, so I'm trying to make some sense of it. It's super awkward just because my computer's about to die and I can't turn the brightness up, so bear with me here. But so that pass on 20% duty cycle, we made about 8 pounds, 8.2 pounds. Fuel pressure was still decent, 47, and AFRs were still good, and it seemed happy. It was definitely moving. So you know, timing is still really conservative, so that's good. About 16, 17 degrees, and yeah, I'm gonna race on that tonight, boys. It looks all safe to go. It's even pulling some fuel kind of at the top end, so I'm gonna fix that in the fuel map, and we'll pull some fuel at the top. I didn't last pass, I just left it in it to see how it reacted, and yeah, it's still trying to pull some, so we can lean it out a little bit up top. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, baby, 20% duty cycle on the Mac valve, and we've got 8 pounds of boost. So that means going from 20% to 30% is gonna give me 2 pounds of boost, which is awesome. So yeah, we're gonna run with that. Like I said, my laptop's about to die, so I'm not sure how many more of these logs I'm gonna be able to view, but we're definitely gonna change up the tune a little bit, flash it on, and go make another rip. It is gonna be our last qualifier, so I'm gonna have to dial in my time here, but that's okay. I'm gonna probably just dial in an 8.0 and just run my pass again. I might drop it down to like 790, because I do plan on picking up my 60 foot by like a 10th. So if that's the case, then I should go like, you know, 798 or something. So I just gotta cut a good tree, get out of the hole, and we should be hitting pretty close to our time here. All right, well, somebody's car just went down. We left the tune-up, or we left the boost control right on 20%, so we're hoping to make about 8 pounds again. I took the air filter off, which I have been doing, but I don't know why I forgot. So we're gonna have the air filter off. Hopefully that'll help. We fixed the fuel table a little bit, and yeah, we're just gonna try and make a good rip. I got my time dialed in at a 795, so anything in the 790s should be good. I'm just gonna focus on making a good 60 and getting a good reaction time, and we should be sitting pretty. Going for a 790, boys. 799 would be dialed, so let's make it happen. Gotta outrun the cop here. 40. No doubt. 795. What is going on? Well, let's work with that, I guess. I don't know. Just nuke the trans and can't find second, can't find third. Well, there's the slip, boys. I ain't got much to say about it. Missed second, missed third. Absolute horrible run. All right, guys. First round of eliminations. We're keeping our dial in at 795. I had a pretty decent 60 foot, but I missed second twice and then didn't hit third either. So we're really just hoping to make an A to B pass and get a good time, because that was not acceptable. So we're gonna do our best here, guys, but you know, it's racing. We'll get her locked in. Just make an A to B rip. That's all we gotta do. Hit your shifts. That's it. Horrible night of racing. I'm so sick. So sick, guys. Went red.
That just ain't my role. You have to go to the tower and ask for it. But you won. So.
I won?
I think you did.
You kidding?
I'm giving you hope, okay?
I'm gonna take it to the bank. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but he ran out of paper, so I didn't have a ticket. I gotta go to the tower. He thought I won, but who knows, guys? I don't know. Couldn't get a data log. Went red. Not a good night of racing so far, boys. Alright, guys. Well, the night of the track ended right then and there. Boost controller was working great. So the whole point of the video, boost controller was totally working. I just couldn't drive my dang car. So, yeah, it hurts whenever that kind of stuff happens. But, you know, you just gotta be better next time. So, we're gonna end it off here. You know, as always, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're getting towards the end of the drag racing season, so I'm just trying to get out there as much as possible. But, yeah. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.